might begin by thanking the Asian Business Law Institute for inviting me to this webinar. To answer the question, I think the Hague Conventions would signal two things. One, many states are looking for grounds for establishing jurisdiction in, say, commercial cases, in cases involving international commercial disputes. Not all judgments in any commercial case will be recognized in other jurisdictions. There must be some sort of connection between the state giving the judgment and the facts of the case. That connection may be a choice of court agreement where the parties voluntarily agree to designate a particular court as the court to resolve a dispute. Both the 2005 and the 2019 Hague Conventions give a state a ready-made set of grounds of what are called international jurisdiction or indirect jurisdiction sometimes. They give grounds by which judgments, commercial judgments, let us say, let's focus on commercial judgments, made in these, on the basis of one or other of these grounds of indirect jurisdiction, are likely to be recognized by other states, by other contracting states to those conventions. That's the first signal. The second signal is this. Most states, or many states, will not recognize judgments unless there is an element of reciprocity. That is to say, if you bring a foreign judgment to an enforcing state, a state to enforce, that state's court might say, well, will the judgments of this court be enforced in the jurisdiction of the state from which your judgment originated? And the enforcing state will assess whether or not there is some degree of reciprocity or presumed reciprocity, whether it can presume reciprocity, whether there's some evidence that the judgments of the enforcing state will be recognized in the originating state. By joining the convention, by joining the 2005 Hague Choice of Court Agreements Convention, by joining the 2019 Hague Recognition and Enforcement of Foreign Judgments Convention, states give a signal, I'm ready to recognize judgments of other courts in other contracting states. So it gives an easy signal that I'm open, I give reciprocal treatment.